In this question, you have to identify the statement which is not correct regarding the factors affecting the rate of photosynthesis. Option A, increasing atmospheric carbon dioxide concentration up to 0.05% can enhance carbon dioxide fixation rate. Now, this is true because increasing atmospheric carbon dioxide levels up to 500 ppm, that is 0.05%, can enhance the rate of photosynthesis, particularly in C3 plants. Now, this is because the enzyme Rubisco in C3 plants operates most efficiently at higher carbon dioxide concentrations, thus reducing photorespiration and increasing carbon fixation. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option B, C3 plants respond to higher temperatures with enhanced photosynthesis, while C4 plants have much lower temperature optimum. Now, this is not correct. C3 plants have a lower temperature optimum compared to C4 plants because C4 plants are more adapted to higher temperatures and they show increased or enhanced photosynthesis under such conditions due to their specialized carbon fixation pathway, which minimizes photorespiration. But in contrast, C3 plants suffer from increased photorespiration at higher temperatures, thus reducing their photosynthetic efficiency. Hence, it is the correct option. Option C, tomato is a greenhouse crop which can be grown in carbon dioxide enriched atmosphere for higher yield. Now, this is also true. Tomatoes, which are C3 plants, they can benefit from CO2 enrichment in the greenhouse conditions. So, higher carbon dioxide conditions can lead to the increase in the rate of photosynthesis, thereby boosting their growth as well as the yield. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option D, light saturation for carbon dioxide fixation occurs at 10% of full sunlight. This is also true because light saturation for photosynthesis in most plants indeed occurs at 10% of full sunlight. And beyond this level, increasing light intensity does not enhance the rate of photosynthesis significantly because of other factors such as carbon dioxide availability or enzyme activity, which becomes limiting. Hence, it is incorrect option.